Meat and Potatoes Organizing is a professional organizing company in Minnesota. We have a team of professional organizers, and we make spaces look beautiful and help our clients reduce their stress. What sets us apart is that we use a team approach. A lot of professional organizers out there, great humans, but they're one-man shows. What we've kind of keyed in on at Meat and Potatoes Organizing is the basics. We use a team approach to get you down to the basics as fast as possible and as efficiently as possible. So sometimes that means bringing in one organizer, sometimes 2, 3, 4, sometimes up to 8 organizers per project to get it done in the most efficient way possible. Here at Meat and Potatoes Organizing, we prioritize our clients by choosing the best organizers for their project. So each professional organizer that works for us has something that they're very good at, and so they can do that as well as all the other realms of professional organizing. So for example, if we have your kitchen, we're gonna put somebody as a lead on that project that is really good at doing kitchens, or kitchens are their specialty. The other thing that we do is we really ask a lot of deep questions. So we are constantly asking our client how they function, what's their day-to-day like, what would be their ideal, life kind of flow, and then also the most effective way to use their space. Meat and Potatoes Organizing can service a wide range because we have a big team of organizers. We have trained organizers in the Twin Cities metro area and kind of 40 miles surrounding that. We have trained organizers in Rochester, and then we also have trained organizers in Fargo, North Dakota. The number one thing that we have going for us is that we don't have an emotional attachment to your stuff. The hardest thing for most people to do is to look at their things and decide, am I supposed to keep this? Am I supposed to give it away? Like, what should I do? We are trained and we're there to help you really declutter. So we don't have an emotional attachment. What do they enjoy? What do they want to be surrounded by? Because at the end of the day, you really want to be surrounded by things that bring you joy and happiness.